Hello, my name is Teacher Marie. Today I'm going to teach you 3 common idioms in the English language. So you might be asking yourself, what is an idiom? You don't have to know that word. Basically, an idiom is a saying in English that doesn't really make sense if you take it literally, but other English speakers understand what you're talking about. Let me give you an example. The first idiom that I'm going to teach you today is, it's a piece of cake. Now, if someone tells you something is a piece of cake, they're not really talking about an actual piece of cake that you can eat for dessert. Rather, when an English speaker says something is a piece of cake, they mean to say that it is something that is very easy and very simple. So here is that idiom in practice. Let's say that I've just taken a math test that I was really worried about, and you might ask me how I think I did on that test. If I thought the test was easy, I could tell you it was a piece of cake, and you would know that I mean that math test was very easy and I think I did well on it. The second idiom that I'm going to teach you today is, take it with a grain of salt. Now you might be thinking, what salt? Isn't some salt something that you put on your food to give it flavor? Well, yes, salt is a seasoning that you use with food. But if someone tells you to take it with a grain of salt, what they really mean to tell you is, don't take it too seriously. Here's an example of that idiom in use. Let's say you meet someone and she tells you that she is so famous and she has a lot of money and she always hangs out with celebrities, and you're not sure if you believe what she's saying. You could ask me and I can say, well, I don't really know if she is all of those things. I don't really know if she's that famous. Take what she says with a grain of salt, meaning don't take it too seriously. The third idiom that I want to teach you today is once in a blue moon. Now, if you hear an English speaker say that, they're not really talking about the moon in the sky. Once in a blue moon means that something happens very, very rarely. It doesn't happen many times at all. So here's an example. If I were to tell you that I'm so excited, I'm going to get to go on vacation to Europe, and I'm so excited because I haven't taken a vacation in many, many years. I'm only ever able to take a vacation once in a blue moon. What I'm really trying to tell you is that I don't take vacations very often. This is something that's rare for me, and so I'm excited about it. So there you have it. Those are 3 English idioms that you can practice. To review, it's a piece of cake means something is very easy. Take it with a grain of salt means don't take it too seriously. Don't take it too literally. And once in a blue moon means something happens very, very rarely. It doesn't happen often at all. Thank you for learning some common English idioms with me. I'll see you for your next lesson.